Hey guys, here's how to transfer money from iPhone to iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from iPhone to iPhone using Apple Pay and other apps. The most common method for transferring money is through Apple Pay's peer-to-peer payment feature. To send money, open the Messenger app and start a conversation with the person you want to send money to. Tap on the Apple Pay icon in the message input area and enter the amount you want to send and hit pay. After confirming, use Face ID, Touch ID, or any of your passcode to authenticate the payment. If you're also using Apple Pay for checking out any product that you want to check out, you can see this Apple Pay option at the checkout section. Alternatively, you can also use third-party apps like Venmo or PayPal to send money. Download the app from the App Store again, create an account, link your bank account or debit or credit card, and follow the instructions to send money to another iPhone user. Make sure both devices have an active internet connection and both parties have Apple Pay or the third-party payment app set up. Also, check that the recipient's device can accept the payment method you're using. And that's how to transfer money from iPhone to iPhone.